Hi all, my name is T. Saminathan. I have completed by BE Computer Science and I worked in different IT domains, and I plan to move to networking domain. So I searched in YouTube what's the best in the networking to update my skills in networking field. So I came to know about Networkers Home and I came and visited here, and I looked through the different lab setup in there. Networkers Home provided online and offline courses both, so students from far distance can attend online easily without any issues, and the mentors will clear our doubt if anything is there, and we can come and practice in the lab sessions, and lab mentors also there. They can provide you all with lab setups in your laptop, and they are very friendly. After I enrolled, I go through different modules like CCNA, CCNP and CCIE Security modules. After completing this course, attended mock interviews and communication classes, and I cleared all the mocks and appeared for the interview and I got placed in Alacrity Console as a network engineer. And I like to thank the networking team members who guided through all this each step in my career growth. And I like to thank Susan ma'am, HR from HR manager team, and my mentors Sushil sir, Amit sir, Vikas sir, Nikun sir, and I thank Networkers for giving me this opportunity.